Hello students, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. For this instructional video, I'm going to be explaining your pre-writing activity. The directions state using the compare contrast worksheet from 11/24, which is that Tuesday before Thanksgiving. Complete the following worksheet. Think of this worksheet like a Venn diagram. You're identifying characters, settings, themes, and symbols from two short stories of your choice, then identifying their similarities in the middle. Below, choose the two short stories that you're going to use for the worksheet. So for this, I'm going to choose The Lottery and The Most Dangerous Game. Keep in mind these short stories do not have to be the ones used on your essay when we start to work on it next week, but they should help to give you a general idea of what I'm looking for. So, short story 1 is The Lottery, short story 2 is The Most Dangerous Game. Let's go ahead and look at one of these charts. Let's go ahead and look at symbols. So our short story 1 is The Lottery, so one of our symbols is the black box. And then short story 2 is Most Dangerous Game, and one of our symbols is the jungle on the island. Now let's go ahead and think about it. What are some of their similarities? Well, both lead to death. Right? We see the black box leading to death of Tessie, and then the jungle leading to the death of many other people before Rainsford. And then some more similarities. Let's think here. I think both are a little mysterious, right? The jungle is mysterious because it's kind of wild, untamed, and the black box is mysterious because no one can really remember where it came from. So, that's what I want you to do for this whole thing. We're not really looking at explanations here, okay? Aim for 1 to 2 things per box, and then get this turned in. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a good one, guys.